Holy crap, guys! We're like literally in Cindy right now. The rain is super bad out here. The wind is really bad too. This dog right here almost got blown away because the wind was really bad. But then I realized if she did get blown away, she wouldn't go too far. This dog right here is super fat, so this dog will not blow away.
Okay, that's enough.
But
the wind stopped now.
oh, yep, now the wind stopped. So that was one of the worst parts of it. There's way more of it to come. I mean, it's like getting pretty black out here. Cindy is already here. We're currently being hit by Cindy right now. I'm gonna go over here and cut. It sounds like this under here. I cannot go out in the water because I see this wind is picking up. Oh crap, we're getting ready. Oh, we're catching it. Okay, yeah, the wind is blowing the rain towards me, so I'm gonna have to back out here and quickly. This is what it. Yeah, the wind is getting really bad out here. So, the backyard is even worse. The backyard's already flooding and all of that. So, and that's something funny on TV, but outside is way worse. Like really bad outside. Okay. Well, I mean, it's worse in the backyard than this is the backyard. Moving, you better not start saying when I ask for food. I will kick you. As you can see, our backyard is already flooded back there. Okay, so it's not raining right now, so I have a chance to go out in the open. And it's getting flooded right here. I'm going to walk through the flood water. And this part of our yard is flooded also. So that's just big old puddles of water. Okay, here's a better view of it. I'm gonna get on this one thing. Yeah, it's supposed to be better here. Oh my god, no, it's starting to rain harder. Crap. Okay, yeah, our area is getting pretty bad out here. It's starting to flood. So yeah, my tablet screen's all wet now. That area of our yard is flooding, so yeah, we're surrounded by water. So am I? No. Oh, my dog is a retard. Because he's just opening it retard. Alright, that's the end of that video. As you can see, our yard's really flooded right now. I'm eating this and I'm waiting out the storm, sitting inside, make sure I don't get hit by flying debris. And I'm eating me some macaroni. It's bye, y'all. End of this video, and I'll get back to you on my doomsday card that I'm starting to build.